If needed, we can select the columns that we want. We don't always need to select all the columns from a table. We can also select the columns in any order we want. For example, I can select status first and then tablespace name, even though tablespace name column appears first in the actual object. The order of the columns stored in a table doesn't matter as long as we choose what columns we want. But it matters when we do a select star. Then it will bring the results according to how the columns are stored in a table. Now let us look at the examples. Select tablespace underscore name status from dba underscore tablespaces. Let me highlight and run the statement. So it brings me tablespace name column and status column. If needed, I can select the status column first and then tablespace name, even though status column is stored after tablespace name column in DBA tablespaces. Thank you.